Hey Wallet Hubbers, today we'll discuss overdrafting a credit card. Well, not really, because that's not exactly the right term. You can't overdraft a credit card. That applies more to bank accounts. Credit card issuers tend to use over limit since you're spending more than your credit limit. But whatever you call it, most credit cards don't allow that practice. If you try to exceed your credit limit, your transaction will just most likely be declined. And even if your card doesn't forbid it, you still have to opt in just to be able to spend more than your limit. But be careful, if you opt in and wind up going over your limit, the card company can charge you a fee. If you don't opt in, they can't charge the fee even if they happen to allow the transaction to go through. If you spend more than your limit, you can also expect your minimum payment for the next month to increase by the amount that you went over. So if your minimum payment would normally be $25 and you went $50 over your limit, you'll need to pay a minimum of $75 or your full balance if it's less than that. In addition, if you spend above your credit limit, your utilization ratio will be very high. That's the balance on your monthly credit card statement divided by your credit limit, and you should always try to keep it below 30%. It has a big impact on your credit score. For those reasons, it's not a good idea to overdraft your card. If you really need to spend more than your credit limit, there are a few things you can do. First, call your issuer and ask if you're eligible for a higher limit. If you're not, you could apply for another credit card. If both of those things fail, you might need to get a secured card, which allows you to increase your spending limit by adding to the card's refundable security deposit. The fees and credit score damage involved with going over your credit card's limit definitely aren't worth it. To find the best credit cards for your shopping needs, you can check out Wallet Hub's picks for the best credit cards available right now by clicking the button here.